You mean the juice out of the fridge done? What you talking about? I'm telling you it's school time now. Tell if you come down a Rockland, come get one and lock fridge them. You're good man. So watch out my friend. See lock fridge, show you what go on. Remember say school time and the kids in their home tea, you know. What you say man? Check this out. Go look inside. You see that? See that? Yeah man, Joe school already, you know. What you say man? Show this and a joke, mad thing man. Yeah man, come on, go check out the fridge right there, so 14.8. You see if you want a fridge and a stove, yeah, you can get it for 75,000, you know what I mean? So watch out now when I donate, you know. You see if you want to feel comfortable, see when in your house, we have a queen one side pillow top mattress right there, so you can get for 100,000. And with the 100,000, we are give free, we get a sound. Yeah man, we get a speaker free man, so you can play some music, you know what I mean? I remember say we do cash and delivery. Yeah man, what go now? Go get the lock fridge, man, don't make the kids and teeth out the juice.